Hey, sparkling one, what if one of the biggest summer skin aging mistakes isn't actually the sun? What if it's something you're looking at right now? Your phone, your tablet, or your laptop. Most people think summer sun care starts and ends with sunscreen. But that's one of the biggest mistakes people make. In today's episode, I'm sharing 6 common sun care mistakes that could leave your skin less protected than you think, even if you're wearing sunscreen every day. So, before you head to the beach, the pool, or your next summer vacation, stick around because a few simple changes could make a big difference for your skin this summer. Welcome to the Sparkling Life Coach podcast. Hey, Sparkling One, I'm Dee Diaz, an integrative nutrition health coach. And here we talk about holistic health, nutrition, essential oils, and simple natural wellness support to help you feel better and increase the sparkle in your life. And today we're talking about sunshine, summer fun, and the 6 summer sun care mistakes I see people make over and over again. We'll talk about what most people overlook, why some sunscreens are different from others, and one surprising form of protection that almost nobody talks about. Because summer should be about making memories, not nursing a sunburn, feeling dehydrated, or wondering if the products you're using are actually helping your skin. So, whether you're planning beach days, pool days, road trips, backyard barbecues, or simply spending more time outdoors, this episode is for you. And stay tuned till the end. I have a bonus mistake that no one talks about. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1 is thinking sunscreen is your entire sun care plan. Now, don't get me wrong, sunscreen is important. But true sun care is much bigger than sunscreen. It's hydration, it's shade, it's recovery. It's paying attention to how your body feels. It's protecting your skin before, during, and after sun exposure. I'd love for you to think of sun care as a summer wellness rhythm, not a single product. One reason I think people struggle with this is because sunscreen feels like a quick fix. You apply it, check the box, move on. But our bodies need more support than that, which leads us to mistake number 2. Mistake number 2 is forgetting how beneficial the sun actually is. Now, that may sound surprising because we hear so many warnings about the sun that it's easy to forget the positive side. The sun helps our body produce vitamin D. Vitamin D supports healthy bones, muscles, and immune function. Sunlight also helps support serotonin production. That's one reason many people feel happier, more energized, and more positive after spending time outdoors. Sunlight also helps regulate melatonin, which supports healthy sleep cycles. Have you ever noticed that after spending a day outside, you often sleep better? That's not a coincidence. The sun is one of nature's most powerful wellness tools. So the goal isn't avoiding it. The goal is respecting it and enjoying it wisely. Which brings us to mistake number 3. Mistake number 3 is applying sunscreen once and assuming you're protected all day. Can we all agree we've done this at least once? Yeah. You apply sunscreen before leaving the house, then 6 hours later, you're wondering why your shoulders are bright red. Well, sunscreen requires reapplication, especially if you're swimming, sweating, toweling off, or spending extended time outdoors. Think of sunscreen as maintenance rather than a one time event. Mistake number 4 is waiting until you're thirsty to drink water. Sparkling one, thirst is often your body's way of saying, excuse me, we're already behind. Hydration is one of the most overlooked aspects of summer wellness. Many people lose water through sweat long before they realize it. A simple habit I recommend is drinking a full glass of water before heading outside, not after, before. And keep water nearby. Also, don't forget to add electrolytes when needed. It's so important to support your body proactively, not reactively. Mistake number 5 is ignoring shade. Can we normalize this? Shade is not weakness. Taking breaks under an umbrella, sitting beneath a tree, wearing a wide brim hat, or relaxing under a covered porch, these simple actions can dramatically reduce excessive sun exposure while helping you stay cooler and more comfortable. Your skin benefits, your nervous system benefits, and your energy levels benefit. So everybody wins. Mistake number 6 is never reading the ingredient label. So now let's talk sunscreen. There are two primary categories of sunscreen: chemical sunscreen and mineral sunscreen. The chemical sunscreens absorb UV rays. The mineral sunscreens use ingredients like zinc oxide to create a physical barrier that reflects UV rays. Many people, especially those interested in holistic health, are choosing mineral sunscreen because it starts working immediately and it's generally considered safe for all skin types. Some consumers also prefer to avoid ingredients such as oxybenzone, parabens, and phthalates that are found in chemical sunscreens. This brings us to an important concept called toxic load. Toxic load is simply the accumulation of substances your body has to process every day. It can come from the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, the cleaning products, personal care products, cosmetics, and skincare we use every day. Now, the goal isn't perfection. The goal is awareness because every healthier choice we make adds up over time. And reading labels is one simple place to start. And now for our bonus mistake. The bonus mistake is forgetting about blue light exposure. Now, this is a skin concern that rarely gets discussed. Most people think about protecting their skin when they're outside. But how much time do you spend in front of a screen every day? Your phone, your tablet, your laptop, your television. For many people, the answer is several hours. And research suggests that blue light exposure may contribute to changes within skin cells that can accelerate visible signs of aging over time. In other words, your skin isn't only being exposed to environmental stressors outdoors, it's also being exposed indoors. That's why I was excited when I discovered a mineral product that not only provides broad spectrum sun protection, but also includes blue light protection. That combination is surprisingly rare. And honestly, it makes so much sense for the world we live in today. Many of us spend part of the day in front of screens and part of the day outdoors. So, having a product that supports both types of exposure can simplify your routine while giving your skin an extra layer of support. It's definitely one of my favorite discoveries in the sun care space because it's solving a problem that many people don't even realize exists. So, when it comes to summer sun care, I personally look for products that provide protection while also supporting healthy skin. One option I appreciate is a mineral sunscreen lotion. I love that my favorite Suncare line combines broad spectrum protection with nourishing ingredients like aloe vera, vitamin E, avocado oil, botanical, and essential oils. Another favorite is a sunscreen stick. These are incredibly convenient for reapplication throughout the day. I especially love them for the nose, the cheeks, the ears, the shoulders, and the hands. And finally, let's talk about after sun care. Many people focus entirely on protection and forget about recovery. After sun products that contain ingredients like aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and soothing botanicals can help support your skin after a long day outdoors. Because sun care doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Now, before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a simple summer sun safety checklist. Number one, use broad spectrum sunscreen. Number two, reapply every 2 hours and more often if you're swimming or sweating. Number three, take shade breaks. Number four, wear sunglasses, a hat, and protective clothing when possible. Number five, hydrate before you're thirsty. And number six, support your skin after sun exposure because a little prevention goes a long way. And it's certainly easier than sitting in front of a fan with a sunburn, whispering into a bottle of aloe, "Why did I do this?" So, this week, I want to challenge you to do three simple things. Spend 10 intentional minutes outdoors each day. Drink one extra glass of water before heading outside. And check one item off your summer bucket list. Remember, small actions create lasting habits, and lasting habits create healthier lives. And please let me know in the YouTube comments or by leaving a voicemail in the fan mail box on your podcast app which item from your summer bucket list you've checked off. I hope today's episode helped you think differently about summer sun care. If so, I'd love for you to take the next step. In the show notes, you'll find a link to my favorite summer sun care products, along with a few other wellness essentials I personally recommend for the season. And if you're watching on YouTube, you'll also see a QR code on the screen that will take you directly to the same resource. When you click the link, you may notice that several products are already included in the shopping cart. Please don't panic. That doesn't mean I'm suggesting you purchase everything. The cart is completely customizable. You can keep only the items that fit your needs and remove anything you don't want or adjust the quantities. Think of it as a menu rather than a must-buy list. I simply wanted to make it easy for you to see the products we discuss in today's episode all in one place. So whether you're looking for everyday sun protection, after sun support, or that unique blue light protection we talked about today, you'll be able to explore the options and decide what works best for you. And as we head into summer, my hope for you is simple. Get outside. Enjoy the sunshine. Take the trip. Watch the sunset. Have the barbecue. Make the sparkling memories. Because healthy living isn't about avoiding life. It's about creating the energy, resilience, and wellness to fully enjoy it. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. Until next time, stay healthy, stay safe, sparkle on, and don't forget to sprinkle a little sparkle everywhere you go. Ciao.
Hey Sparkle Squad, are you loving the Sparkling Life Coach podcast? Has the podcast ever inspired you, made you smile, or brought a little sparkle to your day? If so, we'd love your support to keep this passion project shining. You can help by subscribing, sharing with a friend, or, if you're able, clicking the link in the show notes to become a patron. Every little bit helps us spread positivity, holistic wellness, and vitality far and wide. By supporting the podcast, you're not just fueling our efforts, you're joining our mission to uplift, empower, and inspire others to live their best lives. Your generosity creates a ripple effect, helping us sprinkle a little sparkle on everyone who listens. Thank you for being an essential part of this vibrant community.